A great way to increase credibility and increase conversions on your website is by displaying your testimonials on your site. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to display testimonials on your WordPress website in beautiful feeds like this. Let's get started. The easiest way to display testimonials on your WordPress website is by using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. The plugin lets us easily embed reviews from Google, Facebook, Yelp, and TripAdvisor in fast and responsive feeds without needing any coding. To purchase the plugin, head over to smashballoon.com. Once purchased, inside your Smashballoon account, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. And now on your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for Reviews Feed Pro like this and click Install Now. Once installed, activate the plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on that. And right at the top right here, you'll see where you can enter your license key for the plugin. You can grab your license key from your Smashballoon account and paste it here like this. Then click on Activate. There we go, our license key is now active and we can begin creating our testimonial feed. To get started, go and click on Add New at the top. For our first step, we have to add a source for our reviews feed. Click on Add Source. As I mentioned at the start of the video, Reviews Feed Pro lets you embed reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, and Yelp. For this example, let's go ahead with Facebook. I can select it like this and click on Connect with Facebook. On this page, you'll have to select your source type. If you're embedding reviews from your Facebook page, make sure Page is selected here, then click on Connect to Facebook. That will take you into Facebook, and here you'll have to select the Facebook page where you want to display your reviews from. Simply select it like this and click on Next. And on this screen, it's asking us for permission to connect Smashballoon with our Facebook account. All this will do is view the information it needs to display your reviews on your feed, but it won't be allowed to make any changes or post on your behalf, so it's completely safe. Go ahead and click on Done. And then click on OK. This will bring you back inside your WordPress dashboard inside the Reviews Feed Pro plugin, and you should now see that Facebook page that we just added as a source. Select it like this, and click on Add Page as a Source. Then select it as a source like this, and click on Next. With Reviews Feed Pro, you'll also get 7 different templates for the appearance of your reviews feed. You have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, and more below. For this example, let's go with the simple cards, and click on Next. And straight away, you'll see a live preview of your new reviews feed. All your Facebook testimonials are displayed beautifully in this feed that we just created. And currently, it's in that simple cards template that we selected earlier. Our feed is now ready to be embedded on our website, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize it to really match your brand and business. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Layout. Here you'll find options to modify the layout of your reviews feed. As you can see, currently we have the list layout, which shows all of your reviews in a single column list like this. Next, we have the masonry layout, which shows your reviews in the original sizes in rows and columns. Lastly, we have the carousel layout, which allows you to swipe through the reviews like this. And below that, you can adjust the spacing of your reviews on your feed, the number of reviews you want to display, as well as the number of columns and rows you want to display on your feed too. Just remember, if you make any changes, go and click on Save on the top right corner. The header area on your reviews feed is fully customizable too. Currently, we have the heading, the average review rating, as well as a call to action button to write a review. To modify these elements, we can click on the one we want to adjust, or we can go into the header settings right here. As you can see, currently we have the header enabled along with the different elements enabled as well. If you want to disable any of these elements, you can simply uncheck it like this, and that will be removed straight away on your live preview. Let's bring the heading back, and if you want to disable the heading entirely, you can do so by toggling it off like this. But for example, we'll leave it on, but we'll remove the heading that says reviews right there. There we go. And again, if you make any changes, go and click on Save on the top right corner. What's great about the Reviews Feed Pro plugin is that all the elements inside each individual review can also be customized. On the left-hand side, click on Reviews, then click on Edit Individual Elements. And inside this menu, you can see all the elements inside each individual review. You have the author and date, the rating, review paragraph, and images or videos if they have them. For example, if you didn't want to show the author and date, you can simply uncheck it like this. And straight away, we can see it inside the live preview as well. Let's bring that back, and you'll now notice that this is at the bottom of the review. This is just an example of how each individual element inside the reviews can also be customized and moved around. For example, let's move the author and date back up at the top above the rating. To do this, just hover over it like this, click and hold it, and then drag it right to the top like this. And straight away, you'll see in the live preview that our author and date is now back at the top. You can do the same thing with any of the other elements here as well. For example, if you want to move the rating down to the bottom, just click and drag it like this and put it at the bottom, just like that. And once again, if you make any changes, make sure to go and click Save on the top right corner. Once you're happy with the appearance of your reviews feed, we can now embed it onto your WordPress website. To embed your reviews feed, go and click on Embed on the top right corner. Then you can copy the dedicated shortcode for your reviews feed like this, and then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, and click on Add. On your page, you have 2 different options to embed your reviews feed. The first option is by using the shortcode block and pasting the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Or if you're using block editor, you can use our dedicated reviews feed block like this. And straight away, you will notice that our brand new reviews feed has been embedded inside our page. And we get a nice preview of how it looks too. Now you can go ahead and publish this and check out what it looks like on the front end. And here it is on our live web page. We have all the latest reviews from our Facebook page embedded directly on our website. Currently, it's using the simple cards template that we chose, and it looks amazing on our web page. If you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can click load more, and it will load even more reviews right at the bottom of our feed. And back inside the heading of our reviews feed, if you click on write a review, that will take you directly to the Facebook page connected to your reviews feed, so the user can leave a review directly on your Facebook page. How awesome is that? And that's not all. If you want to display your testimonials inside the sidebar or footer of your website, you can do that as well. Let me show you. Back inside the plugin, I've just gone ahead and changed the template to choose something that better suits the footer of our website. Go and click on Embed on the top right corner. You can copy your shortcode, but this time instead of clicking Add to a page, go and click on Add to a widget instead. This brings us into the WordPress widgets menu. For this example, let's go ahead and add our reviews feed inside the footer of our website. So I'm going to go into a footer widget over here. To embed our reviews feed inside the footer, we have the exact same options as before. We can either use our dedicated reviews feed block, or we can go ahead and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier, just like this. Paste it here, and once that's ready, we can go and click on Update, and check out what it looks like on the front end of our website. And now back on our live web page, you can see the reviews feed we created earlier, and if I scroll down below to the footer, you'll now notice we have a reviews feed inside the footer as well, and you can click on it like this to swipe through the different reviews inside our feed. So we've successfully displayed our testimonials inside our WordPress web page and inside the footer as well. If you have any questions about what we covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you run into any technical issues with our plugin, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.